Mabilis, malakas, at kinatatakutan sa ibabaw ng ring. Ito ang natatanging angking galing ng tinaguriang The Iron Man. Walang iba kundi si Mike Tyson. Pero kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, ay huwag mo na makalimutan mag-subscribe at pakihit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lahat tayo updated sa bagong nating i-upload tulad dito. Maraming salamat po. Pero bago natin umpisa ng 10 malulupitin yung panalo sa kasaysayang kanyang karir, ay mag-intro muna tayo mga idol. There he is now. He's trapped him in the corner.
It's Tyson up man number one. Vicious shot, really heavy, but he's taking the uppercut. Body shot. And Marvis is hurt.
Yeah, nice long rest there.
Back comes Sheldon. And Tyson, what the?
Mills Lane announces because it was starting to butt in.
Tyson with a left hook, a right hook, down goes Cornelius there.
McGill is hurt this time, Steve.
That was a...
Must land something or else it's just a question of a few seconds.
And do it. 2, 3, 4.
He's allowing Mike Tyson to trap him in the corner.
That'll be enough. Out here very, very quickly. Uppercut, and Marvis is hurt. He's hurt as well. Joe Cortez moves in to have a look. Vicious shot, really heavy landing, and he's taking him. The uppercut, body shot, down goes. Here comes Mike Spinks in. Leaves the right hand. Down he goes. I don't think you get up from this. Mike Spinks is laying flat on his back. The count is up to 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. He won't be able to do it. It's all over.
Narito na po ang 10 malulupitin niyang panalo sa kasaysayan ng kanyang karir.
1.
Ang ating una sa listahan ay walang iba ang laban nila ni Hector Mercedes noong March 6, 1985 na kung saan natikman ng kanyang kalaban na malalakas ng makamao mula sa ating bida. Ating tungayan kung paano nga ba tinalo ni Mike Tyson si Mercedes sa kanilang bakbakan. Ang ating pangalawa sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Michael Johnson noong September 5, 1985 na kung saan natikman ng kanyang kalaban na malamasong suntok mula sa ating bida. Ating tunghayan kung paano nga ba tinalo ni Mike Tyson ang kanyang kalaban.
And he put it all there.
But indication.
Here it comes. Whoa.
I'll tell you, Michael Jackson.
I hope he's not hurt because that was a brutal, wide open punch.
He did not have his guard up, and Michael Jack Johnson, a big smile, but he didn't even break a sweat.
He may have to run around on the boardwalk a little bit.
3.
Ang ating pangatlo sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Sterling Benjamin noong November 1, 1985 na kung saan pinaran ito ng kaliwat kanang atake mula sa ating bida. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba 2 bisis pinatumba si babaw ng luna ang kanyang kabakbakan.
Anybody can take that. If the limit was just about to step in. Anyway,
4.
Ang ating pang-apat sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Controy Nelson noong November 22, 1985 na kung saan pinawranan ito ng kaliwat kanan mula sa ating bida. Ating tungayan kung paano nga ba pinatumba ni Mike Tyson ang kanyang kalaban matapos itong tamaan ng malakas na kaliwa ng ating bida.
Nelson, who was in deep trouble, is in deeper trouble.
Tyson, raw and uncut.
Sends him down. The gum shield has been spat out. 5.
Ang hindi panlima sa listahan ay laban niya kay Sammy Scap noong December 6, 1985 na kung saan inatake ito ng ating bida na malalakas na kamao. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba pinatumba sa ibabaw ng luna ni Mike Tyson matapos itong matamaan ng malakas na kaliwa ng ating bida.
Tyson does not throw wild punches.
Big left hook.
And there is block Sammy's gap here.
Bingo.
What you said is right. Those punches are short.
4. The count is 5.
For the rest of the game.
6. The count is 7. This one's over. This one is over.
All over. He tried to make it.
6.
Ang ating pang-anim sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Mark Young noong December 27, 1985 na kung saan pinaran ito ng kaliwat kanan ng ating bida. Ating tungayan kung paano nga ba tinalo ni Mike Tyson itong si Young.
Low right from Young. Uppercut that hit him right under the chin. People let see right there. See, that was a quick uppercut. That's not the head back.
7.
Ang ating pang-pito sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Reggie Cruz noong June 13, 1986 na kung saan binayo ito ng kaliwat kanan ng malalakas na mga suntok ng ating bida. Ating tuhayan at panoorin kung paano nga ba pinabagsak ni Mike Tyson ang kanyang kalaban sa ibabaw ng luna. Ating pangwalo sa listahan ay laban niya kay Lorenzo Boyd noong July 11, 1986 na kung saan natikman ang kanyang kalaban na malulupit na mga suntok mula sa ating bida. Ating tungayan kung paano nga ba hindi na nakatayo pa ang kanyang kalaban matapos itong tamaan ng malalakas ng mga suntok mula sa ating bida.
Right uppercut to the body by Tyson. Again, a double right hand to the body. The Lorenzo Boyd's body. You think the body shot Tyson? I mean, the body just about collapsed in there. It's
The count is 6. The count is 8. He will not get up. It's over.
Sam, show me what heavyweight.
9.
Ang ating pangsiyam sa listahan ay laban niya kay Alfonso Reflip noong September 6, 1986 na kung saan pinawranan ito ng ating bida na malamasong suntok. Ating tunghayang kung paano nga ba tinalo ni Mike Tyson ang kanyang kalaban sa ibabaw ng luna.
Or drop that chair. Here, Reddit is actually running. He's not actually boxing and moving and utilizing the ring. That, of course, was the tactic of Mitch Defensive. No one that is always moving forward, always looking to hurt the other guy. Out of his round. Tyson, one sign, of course, that you look for is can the man finish? And Tyson has left no doubt about that so far. Right hand, that should be just about it. Baby Pearl looking very closely. And that's all. It's over.
10.
Ang ating pang-sampu sa listahan, panghuli sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Larry Holmes noong January 22, 1988 na kung saan inatake ito ng ating bida na malalakas na kamao. Ating tunghayan kung paano nga ba tinalo ni Mike Tyson si Larry Holmes sa kanilang bakbakan. Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating 10 knockout wins mula sa tinaguriang The Iron Man, Mike Tyson. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Walang sawang suporta. Ikaw, idol, anong masasabi mo sa magandang pinakitang performance ng ating bida sa bidyong ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat. God bless. Bye-bye.